Aujourd'hui, je suis à l'AcaDay pour partager une expérience de pédagogie avec l'utilisation des robots avec d'autres collègues qui travaillent sur cette question difficile de savoir qu'est-ce qu'on fait du robot, comment on transmet ce savoir sur les robots à d'autres personnes qui pourraient être intéressées et à éduquer en fait les populations.
Teachers in Malmö have been very motivated for a very long time, and they've been struggling to work with younger students with the NAO robot. Often they've been told it's impossible because they're too young, but they have again and again proven that it is possible to work with every student in any subject or in any way.
We see some applications where robots kind of oversee children, right? And this creates more opportunities for the caregivers to do something extra. So kind of increasing of excitement in the learning process. Because I know that my nephew, he's 9 years old and he loves robotics. I'm sure he would be curious, right, to play with a robot every so often.
NAO, je l'utilise dans le cadre d'un programme qui s'appelle Robotics et qui accompagne depuis 2014 des groupes de 6 adolescents autistes. L'utilisation de robots NAO va amplifier en fait les capacités de socialisation de ces jeunes moyennant un accompagnement thérapeutique adapté. En quelques semaines, on a des résultats assez exceptionnels.
I teach the children to program, both Pepper and NAO robot, and in university I also offer advanced courses in NAO programming. My feedback in the students, usually at first they think NAO is just a toy. It looks simple, but at the end of the course they actually are impressed by how much you can program the robot, how much you can track, how much you can do with the robot, starting from just basic walking to teaching it a specific object or image recognition.